Dredger is a ship that has special equipment for dredging. This ship is made to meet the needs, both the needs of a port, shipping lane, or offshore industry, so that it can work as well as leveling equipment on land such as excavators and bulldozers. Currently, there are several types of dredgers that are divided according to their function. 1. Suction dredger. This type of dredger works by sucking the material using a long pipe resembling a vacuum cleaner. Meanwhile, suction dredgers are further divided into two types, namely, trailing suction hopper dredger or TSHD. The trailing suction hopper dredger is used to drag the suction pipe when filling material to several reservoirs on the ship, where when the reservoir is full the ship will sail to the disposal site to spit out the material through the bottom door. It is noted that the largest trailing suction hopper dredger today is Jan de Nul Vasco da Gama, owned by a Belgian company with a power of 37,060 kilowatts. Another type is the cutter suction dredger. This dredger is in the form of a tube for suction with a cutter head located at the suction door to dredge hard materials such as rock. After the ship sucks material, it will be expelled through the pipe. While the cutter is designed to be very strong with 2 spud cans at the back and 2 anchors at the front left and right. Bucket dredgers. This type of ship has existed for a long time and is equipped with various tools such as buckets to lift sediment from the bottom of the water. Currently, bucket dredgers are still used for tin ore mining in Bangka Belitung and Riau Islands and are classified as reliable for dredging coral to make shipping lanes. Backhoe dredgers. Identical to an acobe like an excavator and at the same time can be used for land by being placed on a barge. It is recorded that there are 2 of the largest backhoe dredgers in the world, namely TAURACAVOR owned by Bean LLC and New York owned by Great Lakes Dredge and Dock Co. Water injection dredger. This one dredger works by shooting water in a small low-pressure jet into the sediment at the bottom of the water, then pushed by the current and gravity out of the dredging site. In its use, usually the water injection dredger is used for dredging maintenance purposes at the port. Those are descriptions of several types of dredgers. For those who have experience with dredgers, please comment below. Thank you. I hope this information is useful.